Good morning and welcome all of you once again here in our next session, that is consecutive session of taxation. I believe I have given you one classwork kind of or homework whereby I have asked you to get me the detail what amendment take place or took place in residential status for this assessment year. Any of you got it?
Sir, finance bill is passed only.
Any amendment?
Sir, something section 6, section 1A, something.
Who is this? It's not okay. Yeah, tell me, beta, what's this?
Sir, finance bill.
No, Suti, that is not right answer.
Oh.
There is some changes. I wanted that.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is this that day? Yes, sir, it has changed. 120 days.
Yes, you are somewhere to some extent correct, Kismet. What exactly it is?
60 days
Sir,
and
may I say,
182 days.
Only 150. एक बच्चा एक बार बोलेगा तो I will be 60, 180 and what else? What else?
sir, more than 15 lakh should be there in Indian income.
In installment we are getting. Harshita also got something. Kismet got something. And others could not even got anything. So this is not going to help you as far as taxation is concerned. Okay. Tax is going to change every year. Every year's finance bill, which is a budget, very important for you as far as taxation is concerned. All the changes, all the amendments you have to incorporate. You have to learn with your own. It will not be like your finance and cost accounting. Since the day till today it is fixed, it is constant, there is no changes. Hardly there are changes. But tax is going to change every year. And every year you need to learn something new. Kindly be ready for that. It was very simple to search. See, these are, I was finding what are the major changes in 10 years in Income Tax Act. I could have written like this. Amendments in residential status.
So there is 181 days more and 120 days more.
And what else?
And it is said to be deemed resident.
Or,
Then no one can escape from giving tax.
yes. So this all you have to learn with your own. Next year, Nishikant sir will not teach you. And that's very clearly stated in the textbook even, or in your bridge course material even. These are the amendments. These are the amendments. So amendment goes like this. See, these all descriptive you have learned. Yes? 182 days or more, 60 days or more. if it is so resident, otherwise non-resident. So there were one exception. What was that exception? The exception was if Indian citizen leaves India during previous year as a member of cruise Indian ship. Merchant Navy, are you aware? What is their job profile? 6 months in the sea and 6 months break. Yes or no? Why it was so?
Yes.
Because of this condition. 182 days ka condition. Six months on job and 6 months off job. Okay? Or for the purpose of employment. So very important, they should be Indian citizens. What is important? You need to be very careful. You check the question whether it is Indian citizen or not. What do you mean by Indian citizen? Who born in India or their grandfather born in India. That is the concept of Indian citizen. Okay? If we'll consider seriously, your Manmohan Singh is having Pakistani citizenship because he was born in Lahore, undivided India. And Mr. Parvez Musharraf is having Indian citizenship because he was born in Agra, undivided India. Are you getting? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Till your grandfather, if they are born in India, automatically you will get the Indian citizenship. Like you all are Indian citizens. There is no doubt about it. All of you are born in India. But if you could have born in US or UK, you might have got their citizenship with your birth certificate. Is this clear? Okay. Or any Indian citizen of Indian origin employed abroad coming India for visit. So for them, earlier, before this amendment, this condition was not applicable. So only if they were there in India for 182 days, it was applicable. 60 days wala were not applicable for them. Okay? But now they have reduced this 182 days into
120.
120 days. And this amendment took place this year. 182 days has been reduced to 120 days during previous year. And in that they have add another clause that their previous year income, Indian income, should be 15 lakhs or more. Then directly they will be non-ordinary residents. There are few students who are not coming with the proper name, roll number and name. So I am not admitting them. Kindly put a message CR until unless they will put their login as roll number followed by their name, I will not allow them to enter in my class. Okay? The same amendment has been done. So there was section 6 subsection 1 clause A. So now this section is section 6 subsection 1A only. So there was a change in section 6 subsection 1. 182 days has been revised. Okay? And the amendment is known as deemed resident. For whom? Again the condition is remains same. Other than foreign income and the Indian income and 120 days. Okay, what they will be considered as DNOR, if to be non-ordinary resident. Okay, whom? Those people who are not liable to pay tax in India or any of the other countries due to their domicile or residence. If suppose they are not paying tax to any of the world, they need to pay the tax in India. Say for example, Mehul Choksi, your Vijay Mallya, they have absconded from India. They are not paying tax to Indian government, neither to their government. And they have more than 15 lakhs ka income in India. They all are captured from this year onwards. And their all Indian income is taxable at the rate of 30%. You might be any corner of the world. Okay, provided there is very clear statement that those who are covered under section 6(1), they will not be covered in this clause. Okay, these clause will not applicable for normal what we are talking about, like what questions we have seen previously. For them it is not applicable. It is only for them who were not paying tax either to Indian government to any other government. So there are two changes. One changes took place here. If you are Indian citizen or crew member of Indian ship or going in an employment outside India, or you are employed somewhere across the globe coming India for visit. For them, if they are residing in India for 120 days and more, now you keep in mind this only, 120 days or more, and your previous year's Indian income is 15 lakhs and above, you will be considered as NOR, non-ordinary resident. Clear? And the second amendment took place as a deemed resident, again under same section, section 6, subsection 1A. So thereby the changes is, if any Indian citizen who are not paying tax to Indian government, to any other government, due to their domicile or residence or any other reason, for them, if their income is more than 15 lakhs and he resided in India for 120 days or more, directly again he will be NOR and their Indian income will be taxed. And foreign income will also be taxed. Is this clear? Now you may ask,
Yes,
sir, why we did this exercise over here? Because, dear friend, your next question of the bridge course is like this only. Mr. Jain, Indian citizen, has settled abroad for last 25 years. So tell me whether Mr. Jain will covered under exception or not. My first question is whether Mr. Jain is covered under exception or not. Yes. Exception 2 will be applicable for it. Yes or no? Any Indian citizen settle abroad, coming India for visit. Same thing is happening with Mr. Jain. He was outside India for 25 days, 25 years. Yes or no? Coming India for like this. Some year 39 days, some year 10 days, some year 210 days, so on and so forth. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If during previous
Yes,
year,
sir.
if during previous year he was there in India for 183 days, or not 183, if it is 63 days, what will be his status? What will be his residential status? This is the question. Okay. So what we will do now for them, my this sections will not work. For them, this new provision will come. Yes or no? What is the provision? Section 6, subsection 1A. है ना? One is 20 days or more,
Yes, sir.
and Indian taxable income should be more than 15 lakhs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So in that case, what
Yes,
will
sir.
happen? देखो मैंने अभी correction किया था. Here it will be 183 days. Yes. So this condition is satisfied, which is more than
Yes, sir.
120 days. But in this question, have they specified their previous year income is more than 15 lakhs or more or not?
No, sir.
Not specified. Then in that case, what will happen? So this condition is satisfied. This condition is not satisfied. I'm not going to check anything. Directly, I will write non-resident. What are the provisions? Either NOR or NR. Only two provisions. Either they will be NOR or NR. So, bridge course, question number 2, you write down this working in your notebook. What Kismat has started doing, others also do the same. So what I can make out, only Kismat is writing, Sachin is writing, Harshita is writing, Suti is writing, Ritesh, Likra, Poonam is writing, Jyoti is also writing, Anurag is writing, Anjali and Rohan is writing. The rest all I cannot see them. Vidhi is writing.
हो गया सर।
Done, sir.
हो गया सर।
What will be your answer? अभी तक कर ही रहे हैं आप लोग. Do it fast.
हो गया सर, हो गया, डन।
जिनका हो गया, they can go for the second question which is asked there. What will be your answer if 63 instead of 183 days? अगर वो 63 रहेगा, then what will be your situation?
Non-resident, sir.
ये 63 रहा तो क्या करें?
Yes, sir. Non-resident.
Same ही आएगा, non-resident. Yes, no? Because here also not, है ना? ये 63 हो जाएगा.
नॉन रेसिडेंट।
This will also be not, है ना? Okay. But what if here it is given in the question that previous year income of Mr. Jain, Indian taxable income of Mr. Jain is 16 lakh. If it is given, then as it is not available, then we say, but if it is given as 16 lakh, then
Sir, resident.
yes. रेसिडेंट नहीं होगा बेटा, इसमें दो ही ऑप्शन है आपके पास, इधर यू कैन, हाँ, एनओआर और एनआर, और कोई ऑप्शन है ही नहीं आपके पास. ठीक है, इधर एनओआर और एनआर, these are only two provisions are there. So if it is the situation, then यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे आप? What you are going to write? Non-ordinary rate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it is possible. It's possible. Be careful. 100% question should be there on this amendment. Why? Because this amendment taking place this year. This is very important for any kind of exam. Suppose you are doing CA also, for CA, CS, anywhere this provision is very important. I believe, I expect that few of you are doing CA and other courses. For them also it is very, very important. Okay. Now you may say, sir, why you have done all this kind of exercises? Because you will see here only Mr. Wong, Australian citizen. Mr. Boycott, Canadian citizen. Until unless Indian citizen word is there, these all amendment is not going to make any changes. Do you agree with me or not? For all of them, what we have seen that whatever we have studied in section 161A, that clause will not be applicable. Am I clear? So what we were learning since last 2-3 days, 182 days, 60 days, 365 days, that will applicable for all. Whether Indian citizen or foreign citizen, Japanese citizen, US citizen, okay, any citizen, except these exceptions which we have learned during last session. I mean, in this session. Is this very clear? So any kind of
Yes, sir.
question might come. So I'm making you prepared to attempt those questions. And kindly follow this format only. Either this or this. Am I clear? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I
Sir.
hope next time whenever you will come, I'm having tomorrow again session. Tomorrow also we will do the practice. But next week, I'm definitely going to check your assignment notebook. How many of you have created assignment notebook? Show me like this. Sir, I have done it. How many of you are having? Yes, Shruti, sorry, Suti, na? Suti. Suti.
Stuti, sir.
Suti, okay. Suti, किस्मत. अभी आप नए आए हो हमारे फैमिली में. पहले आप नहीं कुछ बोलते थे. अभी आज से बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स कर रहे हो. वेरी गुड. विधि,
Thank you, sir.
हर्षिता, पार्थ, सचिन, रितेश. Very good. Anjali. So if you got the new roll number for your assessment year 21-22 or your academic year 21-22, kindly write down those roll numbers in your iCard also and in this assignment book also.
Okay, sir.
I'm going to check and accordingly marks will be allotted.
Okay, sir.
Clear it?
Yes,
So
sir.
not this week because tomorrow again we will do few more practice. I will give you only the part and hint. Rest all walking you have to do with your own. Solve all the questions and bring it to my notebook. Sir, here there is some correction I feel like that. Then I'll be very happy. Okay? So see you tomorrow morning. Missing you. I mean, I'm getting lot of time to miss. Take your lectures. That's why it has happened that Sachin was just streaming and I could not able to make it. Again, I'm extremely sorry, Sachin. Next time it will be your duty to come in front of me and let us have face-to-face talk. Okay, it will never happen in future. And rest all, be at home, take care, do the vaccination. If you have done the vaccination, we will send you the link. Kindly put up your details in those, details which we are asking for you. and all your registration and vaccination details. Till then, be at home, be safe, take care of yourself and your family members. We'll meet tomorrow morning.